Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to continue the next video on payment, how you can receive how can receive money from your clients across the world, the payments method you can use, which platform you can use. All right guys, as we all know, I'll be talking about online opportunities for anybody who can use it across the world, because this channel is mainly focused on freelance workers who are building their lives by earning side hustles. Okay, so this channel today is just a continuation of what I said earlier about payment, the best payment platforms. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel for those who are new, and click on the notification bell so every time you're aware of any if I upload a new video. Okay, what I'm going to talk about is Skrill. Skrill is also another one of the best platform that you make sure your money is secure. It's also known as money bookers. It's an online it's an so Skrill is an online payment processor you can use for making international money transfer. The word is international money transfer. One of its outstanding feature is low cost. You should go for Skrill. The charges are very low, so meaning you not be affected if you're a frequent person who sends money across the world as a result of your business or your personal life. So there are two parts to the payment process. The Skrill review team first has to approve the transfer, which can take up to 3 days. Then you have to wait up to 24 hours before the payment is transferred to your account. The cost of using Skrill is you are charged 9% of the amount sent, but no more than 20 euros or the equivalent currency. In addition, you have to pay a foreign currency conversion fee of 3.99% for Skrill exchange rate. For more information about how much they're going to charge you, rates and everything, please visit skrill.com. The advantage of using Skrill is imminent transactions are possible, improved fraud management, meaning your money is safe, secure, you will not get scammed, anything like that. And then over 80 direct bank connections and 20 local payment method. So you have a lot of options. They have partnership with banks across the world. And of course, they have also other partnership with local payments method, over 20. So meaning whichever part of the world, even if you're living in Iceland or New Zealand, North Pole or South Pole, you are secure as a freelancer. You'll receive your money from whichever part of the world. The disadvantage is verification can take a long time. So you see, in terms of the making sure your money is safe, they usually take a long time to verify your account. So if I were you or me, definitely don't be worried about that. Just go through the process, because at the end of the day, we all want to make sure our money reaches us. When you do work, we want to be paid and not be swindled. All right, and then customer service is limited. Their customer service is very, very limited, so that's another an issue for them, and I hope they will work on it. All right, another platform is called Western Union. Western Union is a company that offers money transfer services both online and from more than 500,000 worldwide locations. The processing time for Western Union payment is between 2 to 5 days. You can use Western Union for making payments to over 200 countries and over 140 currencies are available. So Western Union is also another popular platform that is accepted worldwide, and you can enjoy multiple currencies. So you are spoiled for choice. It's up to you to decide. And then payment methods for this platform, they include cash pickup, bank transfer, credit or debit card, over the phone, in person, or via the Western Union website. Okay, so you have as a user, you're given you're spoiled for choice. Up to you to decide which payment method you want to use. And then the cost of using Western Union domestic transfer in car transaction of fee $5. Your charge, if you're sending locally, it's $5. That's what you're being charged. Okay, so for further information on Western Union charges and everything, please kindly go visit the westernunion.com. You'll find the rates which they're charging you. In terms of advantage of using Western Union, okay, the technology they use is encryption, meaning that your money is safe and secure. It's not easily hacked, the system. That's why this platform payment method is very popular across the world. Everybody from North Pole to South Pole, either you are living in Iceland or in New Zealand down there, you are able to receive your money. So as a freelancer, you are secure, live well knowing that very well your money is secure. You can receive from any part of the world if you're using Western Union. There is a backup also for recipients who haven't disclosed their IDs. And also there's a special way to receive their money. That's why I'm saying Western Union is universal. It's accepting everybody. It has looked at all the demographies of their target markets, and they are serving each and every one of us. Whether you're young, you're old, you be safe assured Western Union has covered you. All right, the disadvantage of using Western Union is there's lack of transparency and the fees are very high. In lack of transparency in terms of how they do their stuff, some of the things they don't tell you because, I don't know, maybe it's because of the security or issue in terms of safeguarding your money, something like that. Anyway, let's proceed to the next platform. Let's talk of Wise. Wise is another platform, payment method platform you can use. It's used to be known as TransferWise, but now it's just called Wise. Your clients can use this method to pay you directly in your local currency. So if you're, for example, you have a client in USA and you live in New Zealand. So if you decide to use TransferWise, that is Wise, then of course the client can directly pay you in your local currency in your bank account. Your clients are charged for the payment, so only your clients will be charged for the payment, and it's sent to your bank account as a local transfer. Wise is accepted in many countries, and payments can be made in several currencies. That's one of the advantages, which is very good. It's widely accepted across the world, and it can pay you in your local currency. Wise uses the same exchange rate that is used by Google or XC when currency exchange is involved in any transaction. So this is a bonus because you can calculate how much you receive and it saves you money in your currency exchange. The only real downside is that it's impossible to send business payments in some countries. Okay, there's some countries which they're exempted from using Wise for either one reason or another. Anyway, before you request payment from your client, it's best to check the country page for pricing and business payment status. So before you decide to use Wise in your business transaction, kindly go to the platform wise.com and check what is the current status of your country using Wise. Okay, just kindly confirm before you do any business transaction. Okay, if everything checks out to be fine, then you go ahead and use Wise payment platform. The cost of using Wise fees vary depending on how much you want to send. Also the location, that is the country you are in, the currency and the amount involved. So please kindly go to the wise.com, check. So you go to wise.com, check how much they'll charge you in terms of the location you're in, the amount you want to send, all that, it matters. And of course, then you'll know what you need to send to your client. Okay, let's proceed. So what are the advantages of using Wise? Wise is you get a personalized Wise card for payment and ATM withdrawals. You get to do payments using your ATM card, make withdrawals. You can manage your account via the mobile app or website. So when you have this account with Wise, you are able to make payments whether you're using your phone or you go to an ATM. You'll be able to do all that. So it's very easy for you to manage your money. Okay, then the fees which they charge you are very low. The disadvantage of using Wise is payment processing time can occasionally be on the slow side, and then only around 20 plus currencies are available. So you're a bit limited in terms of local currency you're going to use because not every country in the world accepts using the Wise, or rather they haven't been introduced to Wise yet. But it's a platform that is safe, secure. Your money is secure, whichever part of the world. If you decide to use it, just know your money is safe and secure. So another platform is called Pioneer. Pioneer is a popular digital online bank. Many blog owners and freelancers use it because you can send and receive payments from anywhere in the world. You can complete transactions with just one click and can even get a small line of credit if you're a new customer. You cannot integrate Payoneer directly into your e-commerce or membership website, but you can ask clients to send payments via Payoneer. Withdrawing money from Payoneer account is easy, whether you are whichever part of the world you are in, you can still use it. Withdraw your money. All right. The new customers are issued with a branded debit card, which you can use at any ATM. The cost of using Payoneer. The main disadvantage of using Payoneer is that the charges are pretty high compared to any other payments solution out there. For example, if you accept a credit card payment from your clients, you'll pay 3% of the transaction amount in charges. A local bank transfer is in the same currency will cost $1.50. Okay, so kindly visit Payoneer for further information in terms of how much they'll charge you, the fees and everything. You will get it in their platform, so please confirm. And then advantages of using Payoneer is it's available in 150 countries. Also, you get to enjoy, it's available it's accepted in 200 countries, and the currencies which you get to enjoy as a user is over 150 currencies. Payments received from other Payoneer customers are free. So if you receive money from other Payoneer customers, they are free. They are not charging you. Okay, and then of course their payments are very, very quick, so you won't have any inconvenience whatsoever. Or the disadvantage of using Payoneer is it can cost up to 2% when withdrawing money made in a foreign currency into your local bank account. So the fees here is a bit high, what they'll charge you. Okay, the prepaid MasterCard has ridiculous fees. Also, prepaid MasterCard, the fees which they'll charge you is also very high. And then transferring money to a local bank account can take several days before it reflects in your local currency. Okay, guys, those are the platforms that I've been talking about. Remember, there's a part 1 video on my YouTube channel. So please, check on the platform of this payment platform to find out how much they're going to charge you, so that you make sure you don't end up losing a lot of money during the rates which they'll charge you for every transaction you make. So please be flexible in your choosing which payment methods you want to receive your money as a freelancers, or when you want to do shopping and everything, so that you make work easier when you're doing your business transaction with your clients, because some clients will prefer to use Western Union, MoneyGram, PayPal, whichever. So make sure you have several business payment on your fingertips, or you have the account, so that when a client suggests that they want to use Payoneer, you are on board, or they want to use Money Union, you're on board, so that you make for ease of transaction of your business. Okay, so please, before you do anything, just go to the platforms of each of these payments method and get their information. There are disadvantages here and there, but at the end of the day, all these platforms, they're safe and secure, and millions of people use it, and their money is safe. Okay, guys, so please, let's grow together, let's learn together. So this is my channel. I'll be highlighting online opportunities every single week, and I'm looking forward learning with you, growing together. Okay, guys, take care. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And every time I apply a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go together, let's learn together, and I'll be sharing with you every single week all the opportunities dealing with online work. So as a freelancer, you're interested to learn side hustle, this is your channel. Thank you so much. Let's go together.